everyone. I'm so excited to have a very special guest with me today, Laura. She's going to talk to us about a cool organization called Women in the Fasteners Industry. Laura, what is this? Tell us about it.
Yeah, so Women in the Fastener Industry, it's a great organization that's focused on women being in the fastener industry, as the title says. So they give women a platform to really ingrain themselves to learn more about the industry through workshops, mentorships. They have scholarships available. You're really able to connect with other women. In an industry that's mainly really led by men, they really give you the space to get to know other women that are doing the same things that you are.
That's amazing. What has been really motivating for you about being a part of this organization?
They've been able to provide me a lot of professional development, personally and professionally. So they're able to do different workshops, like I mentioned before. You're able to connect with other women. You're able to you feel that comfortable space to reach out to other women, not only within your organization, but different fastener industries as well.
What was the biggest thing you learned being a part of the Women in Fastener Industry organization?
Something that I really learned was that they really care for women's professional development. They really want you to keep growing as a professional. They want you to attend different fairs. If you would like to go back to school, that's an option that they can offer. They can help out with scholarships as well. They have different events that they give women the opportunity to attend and meet different people, network, and yeah, it's a really great organization.
Very cool. And if I understand correctly, you were actually selected as a scholarship recipient.
Yes.
Talk to us about that. That's huge. Congratulations.
Thank you. So last year I applied for the Miriam Arsoci Educational Scholarship. She was the co-owner of the Distributions Links magazine. The scholarship was made in her memory for other women to have the opportunity to apply for those scholarships and go back to school, which personally has been a huge financial help for me since I'm studying to get my master's at the moment. So it's been a great help. I felt a lot of support when I applied for and got the scholarship. They were very, very nice. They were very easy to work with. They gave me all the information that I needed. They were just overall very helpful, a very great community to be a part of. And I felt very cared for with my professional development in that sense. They've been able to provide me a lot more than I can ask for, and I feel very, very grateful about that.
I love that.
Yeah.
If there is any other woman within Würth Industry that's interested in applying for a scholarship, any tips or tricks on how they can do that?
Yeah, so really the way that I found out about this was following them on LinkedIn. We have different women within our organization that are part of the board with the Women in the Fastener Industry. So they were able to provide me with that information as well, which was very helpful. You know, just going on their website, looking at what they can offer, because it's not just one scholarship that they offer different opportunities as well. So just really integrating yourself in that community, reaching out to those that are involved was very helpful for me personally. So I would recommend doing that as well for others that are interested.
That's excellent.
Yeah.
Anything else you would like to say to fellow women in our industry?
Yeah, so like I mentioned before, us being in an industry that is widely led by men, it's really great to have that support for women, just to get to know more about the industry, really wanting to grow for those that do want to do that. It's a really great way to support other women, which it's not something that everybody does, so it's a really great tool to have. It's not only for Würth employees, it's for everybody that's in the industry, so you really get to meet a lot of different people that have very similar interests than you. So it's a very, very great tool to have, and I highly recommend it. I've had very good experiences with it, and yeah, like I said, I'm very grateful for it.
That's amazing. So if you haven't already become more active with Women in the Fasteners Industry, get active with the community. It's worth the time. Thank you so much for being here
Thank you for having me.